All right, what's up, y'all? This is Marcus with Gliytch AI Studio. I'm making this video today to give you guys an introduction to myself. I'm the creator of Gliytch AI Studio, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over the platform and give you guys a tour of the platform and show you guys what we offer. I made some updates recently to the platform, so I want to go over those with you guys and let you guys know what we offering right now. So if you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. All right, so when you arrive at Gliytch.com, you're gonna arrive to our homepage. This is a homepage I put together for us. I wanted to get us a modern, sleek, AI-looking vibe with the homepage. The glass morphism going on in the background. So I hope you guys like the homepage, and it kind of reflects the UI, and kind of reflects the look that we're going for as far as having like a futuristic AI look to it, but this is basically kind of goes over the platform and what we offer. And we can generate images, and with the pricing, I did make some updates with the pricing. I didn't update the prices, so all the prices are still the same. I just updated the limit. So we have more, you can generate more words for the same price. So we got 20,000 words now. 20 images, you can get 50,000 words with this one. 50 images, and I think it's 150 words, and 125 images for $19 a month. So let's go ahead and log in and check out the platform. All right, so when you arrive to the platform, you're gonna be here. This is our home page. I'm sorry, this is our dashboard. It's in light mode right now. I'm gonna put it in dark mode. All right, so here, this is basically the dashboard. What you're gonna see when you arrive. It'll let you know how many tokens you have here, and here you can search any of the documents that you've created in the past. So anything that you create is gonna be saved on the platform until you delete it. All right, so when you click here, you're gonna arrive to the documents. So when you go to your documents, it's gonna show all the stuff you have saved. Anything that you generated will be saved here until you go ahead and delete it here. So it'll show you the cost of anything you generate as well. On our AI editor, you can look at these as GPTs. Basically, it's like customized AI that do certain things like well, this is our writer as well. So we have an AI writer that you can go ahead and write out blogs and things like that. We see here we have headings, inline text, bold, italic, whatnot. If you work with blogs or any other CMS, you'll notice we got like paragraph, block, code, div, alignment. You can add images in here. You can add links, and we have our AI that can go ahead and rewrite, summarize. We can do a lot here. I'm gonna actually have a full video of this AI writer to kind of go over it and show you guys how we can put together like full pages of whatever we want to write. We can basically just come in here and put it together with AI. So we're gonna go over that as well. So let me bring back the templates. Like I said, the templates, you can look at them as GPTs. Basically, it's like just customized AI to do certain things. Like for this instance, this one is our product name generator. With the product name generator, you can go ahead and generate any type of product name for any products you have. As you can see here, we have you can include your brand information. I'm going to show you guys how we do that as well. And if you want to generate more than one post at a time, we can, go ahead and come in here and generate as many as you like. Depending on the amount of credits you have, you can go ahead and do that. So let's come back here. And this is basically some of the templates. We can look at those as like I said, the GPTs. And if you don't know what a GPT is, it's just basically like a customized chat GPT that specializes in a specific subject. So let me come back here to the dashboard. And we're gonna go ahead, and the AI writer is basically the same thing as the AI editor, but everything is just kind of like in its own place. You can just use one at a time if you don't have that full list. So let me come in AI images. AI images, we use DALL-E 3 and we use Stable Diffusion. So DALL-E 3 is good with, let's say if you want to do like a text, you can use it for text. Well, I won't say you can use it with text. It's kind of in beta for the text. You can try to use text, It may or may not come out correct because it's more of an image generation, but they added text to it recently. But you can try to generate text with it, and it's good for like images. You want to do like posters or T-shirt design, something like that. You can come in here and do that. And we have Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is way more customizable, but it's not as good as DALL-E 3 as far as the images, but it's way more customizable. You can come in here and make a lot of changes to it. You can do image to image where you upload an image and it can kind of give you another image similar to this. So, you know, I have a print on demand background, so that's why I use T-shirt designs for everything. But let's say you have like a specific T-shirt design and you want to put it in here and you want to kind of make a copy of that design, you can come in here and do that there. You can upscale, you can do multi-prompt. So that's Stable Diffusion, but you can use either one. It's your choice with that. Then we have an AI article wizard. So this is kind of like if you want to make like a SEO optimized article. We have like steps that you go through to kind of set that article up. You know, we can put in keywords, your language, the length, whatnot. And we can go ahead and generate those keywords first. It's going to go through step by step. I'm going to go ahead and go through this in another video. Well, I'm going to go through all these modules in their own specific video, but this one is kind of like an overview of the full platform. But this is the AI article wizard. So AI vision, you can come in here and you can kind of chat with images. So let's say if you want to put it in, you can add an image in, or you can get it to create your image, and you can kind of chat with the image to make changes with it. That's why I get the studio from the AI studio, because we can do so much with different AI. We're not just locked down to AI writing. If you want to come in here and play with images, you can do that as well. And you can, you can do all type of different image chatting. If you have like documents you wanted to read, you can put your documents in and ask for information from the documents, things like that. Well, like I said, we'll go over that in another video. Then we have AI web chat. This one is online, so you can chat with, you can get the up-to-date information as of today online with the online web chat. It's basically like just, chat GPT with the internet. So, and we are using GPT 4.0 right now. Sometimes we might switch to Sonnet depending on which one is better. Sonnet is kind of a little bit better, so we might switch over to Sonnet, but as of right now we're using GPT 4.0. But you can have that. It's not connected to the internet, I don't think, but with us we have it connected to the internet with our AI web chat, so you can go ahead and get up-to-date information if you need that when you want to chat with the AI. So we have an AI rewriter. So we can go ahead and put in a document and you can have it rewrite that full document. If you have like a blog post you want to repurpose, you can go ahead and paste it in, select how you want it to be rewritten, and the AI can go ahead and get that done for you. So with the AI chat image, it's similar to the AI vision. You can come in here and chat with images as well. You can get it to create images for you. This is more of just like creating images versus you uploading the image to chat with on the AI vision. But you can go ahead and create images on here as well and chat with it and get real-time up-to-date data as far as chatting with the images online and things like that. So we also have our AI chat bots here. So we have different chat bots here that you can come in here and just chat with. If you don't want to like have like a full-on text written out, you can just go ahead and come in here and just chat with some of the bots we have. We have like a default bot, which is a regular chat bot, and we have a finance expert, nutritionist, career counselor, time management consultant, different bots that you can chat with if you're interested in that. Then we have AI YouTube. AI YouTube is basically you putting in a video URL and it'll give you a full breakdown of the video. You can go ahead and turn it into a blog post. You can extract the main idea, create a list, create a too long didn't read, and prepare pros and cons for the video. So you can basically just get any video in your niche and take that video and repurpose it and turn it into a blog post if you like. I make sure you check the branding on it to make sure it is, related to your brand, and, change some of the branding information. But you can do that to go ahead and repurpose articles. It's kind of a gray area if you want to do that for your competitors, but it is an option if you're willing to do that. And we have AI speech to text. So basically what you do with this is you upload a recording, or you record your voice and just upload it here, and it'll go ahead and turn that to text for you. So it's basically like translating what you're saying. I haven't tried it in other languages yet, but I'll go ahead and get that tested out, and we'll see if we can do it in other languages. Should be able to do it in other languages, but you can do it in English for sure. All right, and we have an AI voiceover. So here, you come in here and type in some text, and it'll go ahead and read out that text and add AI voice. You can select multiple voices here that you like to use. We have a lot to choose from, and you can just generate text if you want to, make YouTube videos and have like a faceless channel. You can basically just come in here and let it speak for you if you don't want to talk yourself. And here we have our brand voice. So basically what you're gonna do here is come and put in your brand voice. You're gonna go ahead and select new company. You scroll down here and you can put in all the information about your brand, how you want it to speak. And whenever you use any of the modules we have, it'll automatically have all of your information from your brand, your products or whatnot. And you'll be able to use that with the platform instead of you having to go in and make a lot of changes. With that being said, you do kind of want to change anything you get out of AI. I would say it's more like a 70-30 rule with AI. 70% AI does 70% of the work, and you do the other 30% by like editing, updating, making sure everything is coherent and it works with your brand. So with any AI, even though we're doing this brand kit or the brand voice, we want to make sure we go in and check it and make sure everything is legitimate, because a lot of people think that AI is just, you put in input and you get output related to what you put in, but you really need to be good at prompting and telling the AI exactly what you want it to do. So like, let's say you want to order some food at, your favorite restaurant or fast food restaurant or whatever. You got to tell them exactly how you want your food to be made. If you don't want something on that food, you're going to let them know. That's how you want to be with AI as well. You want to be really specific with what you want, and make sure you put in everything you want. And even then, sometimes you may not get exactly what you want, but you'll be closer to what you want than you would be without prompting correctly. I know I said want a lot in that, but I'm just trying to get the point across of making sure you prompt the AI very well, making sure you're going in there and telling the AI exactly what you want. If you want it to be specific to your business, then you know what your business is, your industry, putting everything in there. You don't want to leave anything up to interpretation for the AI. You don't want it to, because basically what it's going to do is try to make whatever you ask for sound good. So in future videos, when I go ahead and go over this, I'm going to show you guys how not prompting the AI can lead to it just, going off in a totally different direction than what you want it to, because, it's just basically making up things as it goes instead of you kind of directing it to where you want it to go. That's the end of the video. Like I said, my name is Marcus with Gliytch AI. I'm the creator of Gliytch AI. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. I'm going to make sure I come back and give you guys more videos on the platform and show you guys around. And like I said, just go over all the modules with you guys. But if you like the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and y'all have a good one.